Okay, this is E-commerce Information Systems by Sarah Smolenski. So I'm going to go kind of in depth of what e-commerce is. According to the Merriam-Webster Dictionary, e-commerce is defined as activities that relate to buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. So some of the components of that are a server that stores and runs all the software necessary to host your e-commerce website, including HTML, databases, media files. The database portion holds information like registered users, transaction records, items for sale, and seller information. The server is meant to retrieve the information back from the database then when requested by a client on a browser. So other forms of technology that are used on e-commerce websites are mobile commerce, which is like applications, electronic funds transfers like Venmo and PayPal, for example. When you are selling something on eBay, you actually can be paid or pay through PayPal. Social media marketing, partnering with social media sites to effectively market to the target market. Like, for example, when you're on Facebook and that thing you want to buy on Amazon pops up on the side, that's one of the um, technologies used here. Inventory management systems are also used for e-commerce, obviously, because that's what they're going to be selling is inventory. Online transaction processing is making sure that servers are secure, so like credit card numbers, other information like addresses and social security numbers aren't compromised. As well as these technologies are also used for supply chain management. So some of the business implications. So the question, what problem does it solve? Some of the problems that e-commerce has solved are they've improved the speed of the service, increased the availability of products and the span of products that consumers have to choose from, and often these items are offered at a lower cost as well. This is how these businesses are more successful than physical storefronts. These companies make their money by suggest selling. They can convert a person looking to buy one item into buying three items instead of simply by the consumer relation model, which I'll get later in this presentation. Um, Obviously, there's a huge value in this because you can make a lot of money here. Um, Finding products that people can't get everywhere in your local Walmart or Target is really what people have been capitalizing on in order to grow this part of technology. So the example I'm going to be using is Amazon because, I mean, who doesn't know what Amazon is? Um, the example, like I said, I'm going to be using Amazon. I personally think this is um, an e-commerce business that has really trailblazed the market for this with improvements in their technology in the industry. For example, they're always improving their supply chain. They've been using drones, which is increasing speeds of deliveries. And yeah, for example, they've also launched Dash, which is an electronic wand, which can scan barcodes and take voice commands to order groceries via the grocer Amazon Fresh, which is cutting down on delivery times, increasing customer satisfaction by being able to get those groceries delivered to you by literally the touch of a button. There's obviously an application available, so that makes it easy to shop online. Um, so the consumer relationship management system is something that Amazon uses. They collect personal information from the customers. The order processing system will take care of the rest. After the initial purchase, the order processing system will notify the delivery system to ship that item. Then a confirmation email is delivered to the customer as well as a tracking number. So through recent purchases and wish lists, Amazon is able to effectively market to that specific customer using the CRM system. Um, Through one-clicking purchases, low prices, improvements with the supply chain, improved delivery times, and suggestive selling have all contributed to Amazon's ultimate success. So now into the pitfalls of e-commerce technology. Sometimes there aren't enough reviews on a website. There's a complicated checkout process, so like that's kind of bugs you need to work out yourself. A bad page design can really deter people from, being exploring your site more in depth because obviously they don't want to see a site that they can't really navigate. And then fraud is also a huge thing because you're compromising your credit card online. Every time you use it online, there's always that risk. So it's really up to the e-commerce website to put those preventative measures in place. And here are my sources. Okay, thank you.